Alright guys, today we have this Gab strut bar that was given to me by some random owner. Don't know who it was. No, I'm just kidding, I know who it was. But I don't know how much it cost. I think it was like $40 new, I don't know. But you know what, we're gonna see if it helps with stability. You know what, I think I need to adjust it. I don't think this is I don't think this one's going on. Wait, how did it... Why is it not going on?
You have to shorten it a little bit.
Yeah.
And then put it on and then extend it.
Oh, shit.
Bro, what? Wait, how did it come off his car then? That's what I'm confused.
His strut towers have been like pushed apart by the bar. Because yours haven't, they've kind of compressed in a little bit.
Oh.
350Zs have them adjustable stock.
Oh.
And if you take it off, even for like an hour, it compresses a little bit.
Really?
Yeah, so you have to shorten and then put it
Damn,
back on and then blanket it.
That's so sad because I don't think I have the right... Is it... Wait, it's this thing to adjust it, right?
Yeah, you loosen that and then turn it. Let me see if I have...
Do you have the wrench? These are things I didn't think of before coming here. You know, I just thought it would just pop on and then just didn't just pop on. Okay, guys, so it didn't go on at first, but we loosened it by twisting it because it's a jam nut, so we can actually get it on the car. Hopefully.
Right, we might have to twist that side too. Oh yeah.
Oh, I see.
One more twist.
Okay.
Wait,
which
just
way?
give it a yank.
Just give it a yank. This way?
Yep.
Oh my god. Ooh. Bro, this side's like...
Suchi goes to the gym.
I can turn this side in one more time.
Okay,
It's just gonna be on you. You might want this is something that you're probably gonna want to see at some point.
Okay.
Oh, do we need one more? Hang on.
Oh. We did it. All right.
Oh, you should tell him about this.
Huh?
You should ask him
Oh
about this.
yeah. All right, guys. So this is a wrap I got from a local RX7 member. I can get this whole wrap for $400. Comment down below if I should pull the trigger and wrap my car that color, because there's already 2 RX7s in the bay that have a white like wrap, so I don't want to like seem like I'm just hopping on like a band.
Well, yeah. Who owns those RX7s?
Who owns it?
Yeah, that wouldn't
Eliminate, bro.
that wouldn't be Sunny from Eliminate, would it?
Just like the biggest like YouTubers in the bay.
Nah, you got them. What's going on?
This doesn't make any sense. Who would design this strut bar like this? where the nuts don't work.
There's no room on.
Wait.
Got it.
You did?
Yeah. Loosen that top one.
Loosen the top
You
one.
kind of have to pick it up and like put the nut under first.
Pick the nut under like this.
Yeah, under there and try and turn it a little bit.
Just nut on it.
Once it starts going, then
Dude, I can't nut on it, bro.
I don't know how you're gonna tighten that, but
Alright, this isn't gonna work. Never mind, guys.
these, all 3 of these,
Yeah. I don't know what torque spec it to do.
it's like 20 something.
All right, give him an update.
I don't know what I'm torquing them to, but I'm torquing them a little bit.
Title of this video: How to correctly torque.
You just kind of give it a couple jerks, jerk it off a little bit.
Whoa, wait.
Jerk it a little bit.
Might have to throw a Gaussian blur on there for that one.
Okay, that should be good.
You mind if I borrow the torque wrench real quick? I got
Yeah, yes. Alright, this is... There we go. Oh!
There he
okay,
goes,
you guys
bro.
hear that? Alright, see?
There it is.
Yeah, the torque wrench the whole time. Okay.
That's torqued up to spec right there.
That's the spec.
I keep it strapped, dude.
How many foot-pounds is that?
That's 28 on the dot.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, okay.
Nice. Last one.
I can't get that.
Couldn't get the last one.
Right. As long as the majority are good, then that's all that matters.
All right.
Alright, guys, so we're gonna wrap the car right now in 5 seconds. Alright, apply it real quick. Let me get the heat gun real quick. Alright, there we go.
Hey,
Damn.
get my shit done.
You wanna get your shit done?
Can you do mine next?
Hey, I got you, man.
Thank you.
Jeez.
Like $5. I got you. Plus material.
Ooh, that'd be looking clean.
Bro, barely any bubbles in there. You know, we're pretty good. We can just kind of rub it out a little bit. How's the BMW for sure? Huh?
It's an Alfa Romeo.
Oh, really?
It's Julia.
Oh, you got the Casey Neistat zoom.
You said you got that Casey Neistat shit.
gonna see if it handles any better. Probably not, but you know, it was 40. It was free, so.
It's 40?
No, originally it was like 40.
Okay, got it.
I got it for free, so we're about to see what a $40 strut bar can do.
I think you'd be surprised.
Oh shit.
Whoa, no, come back.
Alright guys, you already know what's going on. We got the night mode, we got the night camera. Oh, don't die. Alright, we're good. So yeah, but just put the strut bar on thanks to Dan. He really helped us out there. He's actually a pretty good mechanic, I'm not gonna lie. I thought I was mechanically inclined, but he's very much mechanically inclined. Thinks outside the box, you know. Helped us out. Otherwise, you know, I would have been like, oh, F the strut bar, bro. But, you know, we got it on, so we're about to see if it makes a difference. We're going up at night because, you know, we don't want to run into anyone. I'm be chasing Griffin on the uphill. Hopefully I don't rub too much, because last time I tested it, we went kind of fast, but we didn't go like as fast as like we possibly could. So, you know, if I go a little faster, might rub a little more. Definitely won't like completely bottom out. I don't think I'm in danger of that, with like an exception to like maybe like 2 dips on the uphill, maybe like 1 or 2 dips, so I'll go slow around those sections. But there are a couple sections where I would like to push the car and see, you know, enjoy the last bits of my rear crappy tires. Keep in mind I have 245s on the rear. These are absolutely garbage. Be going up to 265 soon, maybe even 275s, I don't know, who knows. But yeah, I gotta race the car a little more after that, or before that, to get the perfect fitment. So yeah. Oh, a lot of rocks. I don't know if you guys hear that, but there's like a crap ton of like rocks here. Bro, Griffin, stop flinging rocks at me, you piece. Dude, this man has sticky. Oh my god, bro, I can't follow him too close or he's gonna fling rocks all over my car. Not that it really matters because my paint's already bad, but you know, I'd like to preserve it as much as possible. All right, Griffin, all right. Fast section right now, we're kind of just cruising through, so dusty. It's kind of dangerous. Woo! Oh, sorry guys, I'm not talking as much. You know, I don't want to wreck the car, so I'm kind of trying to focus. If I wrecked it, I'd be kind of sad. I take that back, I'd be very sad. Ah. It's also really dusty and gravelly, so, you know, don't want to wreck the car or anything. Bumpy. Another car. Whew. Kind of getting heat soak, I feel it. My car's not pulling as hard. Oh yeah. Woo. God, Griffin's pretty fast, not gonna lie. It's pretty fast. You know. Oh. Oh my God, I'm lighting the rear up. I'm hopping. I'm coming, Griffin. Dude, oh my God, I see just lights of flames behind me right now. Holy shit. Oh my God, we got a couple trucks here. I'm gonna pull a left because I don't know, they look kind of sketchy, you know? I don't know what those trucks are gonna do to me. They could take me out of my car and touch me or something. I'm gonna get out of here. Yeah, now we're just gonna cruise, kind of chill. But yeah, you know, my car's pretty quick. I still need to work on some things. I definitely felt in the front it was more rigid. It definitely felt more rigid in the front with the front strut bar. I think maybe to stiffen up the front rear even more, I should get sway bars. I feel like sway bars would really help the body roll, because that's what I'm getting a lot of right now. And I already replaced around a year and a half ago when I bought the car, or sorry, almost 2 years ago, I bought brand new sway bar end links for the car. So the sway bar end links are good. I just need new sway bars because they're stock sway bars. So I feel like if I got better sway bars, it would really help with the body roll in the car. So, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that drive, and I'm gonna chill with Griffin at the rocks here for a little bit, our secret little spot. Ooh, look at that swag. Okay, anyways, yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'll probably do a follow-up at my house when I'm editing the video, but yeah, see y'all. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Suchi. Thank you so much for watching this video. It was a quick little video. Like I said, this is at like midnight. This is after I got off a 9-hour shift. I'm pretty tired. I'm editing it the next day. But yeah, strut bar actually helped a lot. It stopped the roll in the front. So maybe I'll get a bigger rear strut bar, and then maybe I'll actually invest in sway bars if I can get a good deal on them. Just because there's like a lot of body roll when I'm driving. Maybe I have to raise the rear a little more, but you know, it still scrapes a little bit. If I can eliminate all the rubbing, that'd be great. But you know, a little rub never hurt anybody. Like, we're cornering pretty hard, so it's always gonna be a little rub. Can't eliminate it all. I also don't want the car to look completely ugly, so yeah, when I get the bigger tires and maybe like better sway bars, handle even better. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I'll see y'all next. And then see y'all in the next one. Sorry, I'm tired.
Can you take a 4 or 5 to the pelvis? Plenty money going around, I'm not selfish. And the ladies love me, Elvis. Smoky gas, living fast, wearing velvet.